Apple just issued a warning to all iPhone users that your alarm clock may not be working properly. You need to check these 3 settings. Grab your phone. Tap on Settings, scroll down to Accessibility, tap there. And from here, scroll down to Face ID and Attention. It might be Face ID and passcode, depending on the version you're using. Tap there. And from here, attention aware features. The iPhone will check for attention. And if you're paying attention to the phone, it might, as you see here, lower the volume of some alerts. You want to turn this off. You have to enter your passcode, and then this feature is disabled. Let's move on to step number 2. Tap on Settings, tap on Sounds and Haptics. From here, make sure that this is turned all the way up, and that way you're going to hear those alerts. Let's move on to step number 3. Tap on Clock. From here, tap on an alarm, and Apple recommends that you check the sound. So tap on the sound, and then tap again. Tap one more time and make sure you're actually hearing the sound for that alarm.